Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern, floating wooden house with lush greenery on the rooftop, surrounded by a vibrant garden filled with various plants. The architecture features large glass walls, creating an open feel and allowing natural light to flood the interior. The house has a cozy bedroom visible through the glass, with soft, warm lighting and minimalist decor. The setting is urban, with contemporary buildings in the background slightly blurred to emphasize the house. Cozy modern cabin in a tranquil forest setting during twilight, showcasing a large, curved wooden structure with a sleek metal roof. The cabin features floor-to-ceiling windows that illuminate the warm interior, revealing a minimalist yet inviting living space with soft textiles and cozy furniture. The exterior deck is adorned with comfortable lounge chairs and potted plants, surrounded by tall pine trees softly lit by ambient warm lights. A modern floating cabin situated on a serene, reflective body of water, surrounded by lush, green foliage. The cabin features a sleek, curved design with large windows that invite natural light, showcasing a cozy interior with warm lighting and wooden accents. The roof is adorned with solar panels and patches of greenery, blending harmoniously with the environment. The surrounding atmosphere is misty and tranquil, evoking a sense of peace, with soft, muted colors like deep greens, rich browns, and gentle earth tones. A modern, organic-style house nestled in a misty forest during autumn. The building features a fluid, wave-like design with a dark slate roof and warm wooden accents, blending seamlessly with the natural surroundings. Large, curved windows allow soft, golden light to emanate from the interior, showcasing a cozy atmosphere. Surrounding the house are lush, green grasses and a few scattered fallen leaves, highlighting the season. The overall color palette consists of deep greens, warm browns, and hints of amber, evoking a sense of tranquility and harmony with nature. Two-story modern house surrounded by lush greenery, featuring large glass windows that reflect warm, inviting lights from the interior, showcasing a blend of natural and contemporary design styles. The structure is adorned with vibrant green plants cascading over the edges of the roof and balcony. The exterior is sleek and dark, contrasting with the soft wooden accents. The setting is a serene garden with well-manicured grass, dotted with colorful flowers and subtle outdoor lighting, creating a tranquil atmosphere. A charming, rustic cottage nestled in an autumn forest, exuding a cozy, inviting feel. The house features a weathered blue exterior with a steep gabled roof and an old tin covering that showcases hints of rust. Surrounding the porch, which is adorned with comfortable seating and decorated with vibrant throw pillows, are potted plants and hanging flower baskets. Soft, warm glows emanate from the windows, suggesting a welcoming atmosphere. The scene is set amidst vibrant fall foliage, showcasing hues of orange, yellow, and deep green. A cozy A-frame cabin in a serene forest setting during autumn, featuring large glass windows that reflect the surrounding trees. The cabin is nestled among vibrant orange and yellow foliage, with a wooden deck extending into the landscape. A modern outdoor fireplace with gentle smoke rising adds warmth, while rustic furniture, including a plush sofa and wooden chairs, invites relaxation. The atmosphere is calm and inviting, illuminated by soft interior lights, evoking a sense of comfort and tranquility. Wooden cabin in a serene mountain landscape during twilight, surrounded by majestic peaks dusted with snow, exuding a cozy atmosphere. The cabin features a sturdy stone chimney, warm golden light spilling from the windows, creating a welcoming glow. In the foreground, a wooden porch with a rustic rocking chair invites relaxation, while lush greenery and scattered wildflowers add vibrant touches of color. The sky is a soft gradient of gray and blue, hinting at an impending evening, with the soft detail of scattered clouds. A modern, eco-friendly house with a green roof bursting with vibrant orange flowers, situated in a lush meadow filled with blooming wildflowers. The structure features large glass walls that reflect the serenity of the surrounding landscape, allowing warm, golden light to spill out from inside, creating a cozy ambience. The setting is framed by gentle hills in the background, under a soft, overcast sky. The colors are a harmonious mix of green from the garden, rich wood tones of the house, and bright orange accents from the flowers. Cozy interior of a wooden cabin with large circular window framing a lush forest view, featuring an orange hammock hanging in the center, surrounded by a warm, inviting lounging area with orange cushions and textured pillows. The floor is adorned with a vintage Persian rug, blending rustic elements with nature. Soft, natural light filters through the windows, creating a serene and peaceful atmosphere. Use a hyperrealistic style with earthy tones and rich textures, emphasizing the harmony between indoor comfort and outdoor beauty.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.